to adjust exposure for videos on iPhone. So here is a simple clear tutorial on how to adjust exposure for videos on iPhone. So this applies to all iPhone with the modern camera app interface. First of all, open the camera app, and once you're inside the camera app, all you have to do is swipe to the video or cinematic, slow-mo, time-lapse. Exposure works the same for each one there. Now tap anywhere on the screen, a yellow focus square appears. All you have to do is simply slide the exposure bar top and bottom. When you go to the upper side, it will brighten your screen, and if you go to the lower side, it will darker. The sun icon appears next to the focus square. It is just to increase brightness or decrease the brightness. This adjusts exposure in real time before recording. So that is it. You can also tap and hold the screen until AE/AF lock appears, and to prevent the brightness from changing during recording. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.